start with section 1. I just want to let you know, ada yang dapat perfect score. Panjini, Lau, Zio Jun, and then section 2 section 2. Okay, section 2, Mashita. Okay, congrats untuk yang bising ke? Ke boleh dengar suara saya clear? Kalau boleh dengar, thumbs up. Okay. Alright. So I think we need to go to this quiz sebab ramai macam ada yang salah-salah kan. Let me just open my quiz first. Okay, let me just share my screen. Okay. Nak tengok quiz 1. Soalan 1 ni semua okay, semua dapat jawab. Wait, this is so... Okay, question 2. Question 2 ni ada yang salah juga. Okay, what do you need to select? Okay. What do you need to select to set the developer mode? So, if you watch the video, dia akan mula-mula we have to show the developer tab lah in ribbon. Tapi like yesterday ada yang guna Mac, so it's a bit different with the one Windows punya version, Microsoft 365. But this one is the correct answer lah. The first thing that you need to do is you have to show the developer tab. Itu yang paling penting. And then what language? What language? Kebanyakan dia okay. Kebanyakan boleh jawab. Alright. So Visual Basic lah. Sebab kita bukan nak guna C++ ke C Java. So this one is the correct answer. Okay, which of this is not a Visual Basic object? This means like macam you nak panggil the sheets, you nak panggil the cell kan kita guna range.select. Range in bracket, what is the cell and then dot select like that. So font size ni is not a Visual Basic object. So tak apa, walaupun you salah, it's like a learning process. As long as you answer the quiz tu dah okay dah. So question 5, if you record a macro, where will it be stored? Okay, so dia akan dekat sini ya. Okay, nampak tak? Yang this one, yang last week kita buat ikut video lecture tu kan? It's actually in module, this one. So in VBA, we have user form, module, class module. So module is the one we did last week. Or maybe semalam ke you baru tengok kan? Okay. So in module. Whatever it is, record macro, it is in module. And then Q6, what is the correct object order? So this one application is the Excel. Lepas tu, this one, the whole, the set of worksheets ni is called workbook. And then we have the individual sheet. It's worksheet. And then the cell in VBA, we call it as range. So that's why dia akan follow application, workbook, worksheet and also range. So kalau you dapat soalan ni salah pun it's okay sebab I pun tak cover dalam video tu. Okay. So far clear ke? Kalau faham, thumbs up. Kalau tak, I tak tahu you dengar ke tak sebenarnya. Okay, good job. Okay. So this one, what will the macro do? Okay, this one I didn't explain in the video lecture kan. So this is selalunya kita buat range dot value ke range dot select. So tapi dekat dalam VBA there's a lot of the Visual Basic like functions lah. So this is the object, and then what do we want to do with the object? So we want to copy. So walaupun you tak belajar, I pun sendiri tak ingat all the name of the functions, but you can just like assume, okay, kita nak pilih A1, then it says copy B2. So yeah, maybe it's copy and then paste like that. Usually memang tak ingat lah, memang tak ingat semua formula dia tu dalam tu kan untuk buat algorithms. But no worries, because Google is there. You can just Google the function of it. And then in this one, which format should be used for saving files in macro? So if you look at this, dia akan ada di extension ni. Nampak tak kecil sangat. XLSM. So M tu maksudnya dia macro. If you don't save it, like I said in the video, if you just save it as a normal one, when you do macro, it will not appear inside your Excel anymore. Dia akan hilang terus. So ini paling penting lah. You nak kena buat this first step. Okay? Okay. Q9 ni sepatutnya ramai boleh jawab sebab dia cakap salah. Okay, tak apa. First time kan belajar VBA, so kadang-kadang tak ingat. Okay, range A1 select. So this means that we give a command, we give instruction dekat VBA. Okay, VBA now you choose range cell A1 and then you select it. Okay, kalau you nak letak value, dia akan jadi dot value macam tu. So yang ni lah jawapan dia. Kalau yang lain ni memang tak okay lah. Select A1. Okay. So this is select cell A1 and then in the active worksheet. Tak kisahlah sebelum ni sheet 1 ke sheet 2 ke. Okay, so this one is a bit long, so maybe you need some time to baca this one kan. Okay, a simple subroutine to ask a user for their name and display a welcoming message. So this one tak belajar lagi kan? Okay, tak apa. Sebab this one Dr. Azwar yang buat, so mungkin dia tak perasan yang you tak belajar lagi. I rasa tak belajar lagi lah. Okay. Your name input box. Okay, kita buat input box and then kita bagi message box. So, remember tak dalam video tu, whatever you want to combine, you have to use this one. Ampersand ataupun I panggil N simbol lah. So, dekat sini tak ada. Kita nak gabungkan your name ni with how old are you, dia tak ada N symbol. So, if you run this in VBA, dia akan error lah. Okay? So far, so good tak? Clear tak? Okay, good job. Fitri je seorang. Okay lah, ramai dah. Okay. So that's for quiz 1. So far ada yang tak faham? Ada yang tak faham ke? Okay. So I just want to make sure that you actually do the video lecture, ikut the hands-on activity. Oh, sebenarnya nampak. Okay. So, maybe if someone, like maybe 3 of you can volunteer to share your screen untuk tunjuk the work that you have done. Tak perlu explain apa-apa je, just tunjuk, okay, this is the script, like this kan. You just tunjuk, oh, this is the script that I've done according to the video lecture. Ada tak siapa-siapa nak volunteer? If not, kena panggil lah orang, nama. I think it's better if anyone can volunteer lah. Boleh. Who is that?
Joel.
Joel, okay. Joel. Joel ke Joel?
Joel.
Okay, Joel.
Joel.
Okay. Alright, Joel, thank you for volunteering. So just share your screen je.
Can Doctor see?
Yes, can see.
This
Okay, good job.
is the workbook lah. The module for the worksheet, and I try every video lecture. And just now also the quiz also I try but mistake lah.
Oh, it's okay.
Soft copy.
Yang penting you buat quiz tu. Okay? Okay, good job. Let's give a round of applause for Joel. Bagi clap sikit. Yang lain bagilah clap. Okay. Alright. So, next one, kita ada 3 orang lah every class. Just tunjuk je kalau you dah buat tak seram pun nak tunjuk.
Sure.
Okay, Vidaf nak ke? Nak try ke? Kalau siapa yang dah share, next class tak perlulah volunteer orang lain pula. Ada 80 people kot dalam ni. Good job. Tengok. Okay, atas sekali tengok yang the first macro. So that I can see your name. Okay, good job. Vidaf. Okay, kita bagi tepukan. Yang lain, macam lambat lah you tekan. Okay. So last one. Last volunteer. Yay, okay, kita ada wakil from the perempuan. Alia Hani, silakan. Okay, so far tak ada error kan? Okay, atas sekali, just want to see your name. Okay. Oh, Sarah, nama glamour ke tu? Oh, bukan. Okay, bukan. Tu Hani, first macro. Okay, thank you. Okay, good job. I bagi you ni celebrate. Okay, thank you everyone for volunteering. So far ada tak yang buat tapi ada masalah? Kalau ada masalah bagi thumbs down. Ada tak any aspect of it yang you tak faham? Sebab I macam, I don't want to make the video long kan. Kalau tak nanti memang penat nak tengok. So I just explain the concept je lah. Maybe I can just explain some more. Let me just share screen. Okay. Wait, let me just put the chat on. You all nampak macam ada rectangle lah kat sini. Ke nampak clear? I tak sure. Oh, tak ada. Oh, okay lah. Sebab macam dari sini nampak. Okay. So, I just go briefly je lah because I feel like you already know some of this stuff like computer system, it contain hardware and then software. Like hardware is like the CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse like that. The printer, semua tu lah. Kan, I'm pretty sure everyone knows about that. So software tu refer to apa yang kita tak boleh pegang. Like apps ke, programs ke. So this is what we learn in this class today. In this class, the whole semester is to write the program. To write something that the computer can understand. So kita tak boleh lah tulis dalam bahasa Melayu ke English kan. Nanti komputer tak faham. So that's why we use VBA. It's like a medium for the computer to understand. Okay. So adalah higher language, C++, Python, Java. Ini Python ni nanti Dr. Azwari akan cover second half of this semester. And then to do a software, you have to know the software development process. Okay, first you need to know like the problem solving phase. Apa-apa program tak kisah simple macam mana yang the one that you did pun, you have to first understand what problems that you want to solve. So that once you know the problem, you can know, okay, apa input yang kita perlukan? What is the expected output? So from there, once you know the problem and then the solution that you want to provide to the program, then you can design the algorithm. Algorithm tu yang ni lah. This one is all algorithm. Macam like a set of instruction that you give the computer. Okay, first you pergi sheet 1, lepas tu you select. Lepas tu you pergi A3, select. Then you put a value 5. Itu a set of instruction. Okay, so once you dah design algorithm tu, the next thing you kena test. I tak ajar desktop testing ni ataupun dia panggil desk checking. But you can always like maybe ask nanti later kalau ada masa I akan ajar lah macam mana. It's like going through each step of your algorithm. Okay. Alright. So nanti baru kita implement lah. Kita translate the algorithm macam ni. Like this one VBA kita boleh terus run kan. Kadang-kadang we don't want to go straight away do the program language. We want to do the pseudocode. So pseudocode tu is like bahasa dia is like tipu-tipu punya programming language. Dia macam nampak macam programming language tapi sebenarnya bukan. So nanti you kena translate lah pseudocode tu kepada a real programming language. So nanti again kena test. When you do a program, it's very important to you test, run banyak kali because sometimes kita terlepas lah benda-benda kecil. Okay. So software life cycle ni is more like macam tadi lah, first kita define problem and then design the algorithm, and then if you cannot run the algorithm by itself, you have to code it into a programming language, test, maintain and evolution of the system, and then kalau software tu dah tak boleh guna, it will become obsolete. So phase 5 ni yang usually paling costly lah sebab you have to hire skilled person, skilled programmer. Like you have to have a smart programmer to make sure that the system evolve ikut masa. Macam contohnya Apple, Samsung, semua tu Android semua kan. That's why dia boleh keep on berjaya because they always have like skilled programmer untuk improve the system. Macam contohnya Nokia kan, dia tak improve pun dia punya phone tu, macam tu je lah. So nanti bila dia tak maintain, dia jadi obsolete lah, dia jadi dah step 6 ni, dia dah jadi obsolete. Okay, so it's very important lah for you to know the software life cycle. So ni what is Microsoft Excel, I will skip this one. Yang ni sepatutnya you dah tahulah. So I'm not gonna waste my time ajar balik this one. Ni pun dah tengok. So ini algorithm yang I cakap tadi. It's a set of steps to accomplish a task. Kan? So it's like a step by step process lah. Tapi you bagi tahu komputer semua dia tahu, oh dia nak kena buat apa, macam tu kan. So this one, like I said, it's a set of instructions that you give the computer. Okay. So contohnya algorithm to drive to a friend's house. First you have to find a key and then walk out from the house, close the door, open the car door, macam ni. So kalau kita sebagai human, kita dah, benda tu dah dalam brain kita. So we don't have to really think about it. But when it comes to computer, to ajar computer, we have to say, okay, first you find your key and then you walk out from your house. Kalau sekarang, before you walk out, you have to wear a mask, like that kan. So it's the algorithm yang paling penting. Okay, so contohnya, what is your algorithm for getting to this class? Apa the first step yang you kena, apa first step yang you kena buat? Boleh tulis kat chatbot, so if you don't want to turn on your mic. Buka Telegram untuk dapat link kan. Thank you Sam Yu Hong. So dah dapat link tu, buat apa? Oh, mungkin buka Telegram. Then you get the Webex link. Then after you get the Webex link, tak ada jawapan. Ceka tengah type lagi. Just slow. Join Webex. Betul. Lepas tu kalau attendance tu sistem dia tak down bolehlah scan, tapi hari ni dia macam masalah kan. So scan, lepas tu you pun join buat quiz macam tu lah kan. So okay, tak apa, kita tak payah waste time sini. Okay, so this one I think you already you faham kan the concept of algorithm tu and like the step by step process. Kalau faham, give a thumbs up. Okay. So I think we have some, oh jap sebelum tu. Okay. Okay, thank you Adiba for responding. Appreciate it. Okay. So ingat tak masa you buat the lecture, the activity, hands-on activity, you can give a variable like this, A, B macam tu kan. Yang ni tak ajar kot dalam kelas tu. So this is called A, B, C ni is called variable. So, okay. Dalam variable, in giving the name of variable, there's a few restrictions in VBA. Okay, yang ni I tak explain dalam video. So restrictions dia, sekejap. Okay. Contohnya ni kan, N1 ni kan, this is variable. So, bila you nak bagi nama, the first thing is you must know that it must begin with a letter. So, macam ni, N, and then number ke underscore boleh follow after the letter. So, N1, contohnya nak buat underscore pun boleh. Macam tu boleh. Lepas tu, you cannot exceed 255 characters in length. I think okay lah. Takkanlah kita nak bagi variable nama panjang-panjang kan. And then third, you cannot name the same name as any Excel keyword. Contohnya range, sheet, integer. Nanti VBA tu confuse tau. Macam dia nak panggil range ke dia nak bagi nama variable macam tu. So ini antara yang forbidden lah. Kalau contoh you buat length, width pun kadang-kadang dia akan confuse juga. Excel akan confuse. And then lastly, you cannot contain any spaces, periods, exclamation mark, and then any special characters lah in the name. Like for example, this one you tak boleh put dot ke apa. But this one, maybe yang ni kalau dah update lagi Microsoft mungkin dia dah allow ke. Tapi the last time I check, still tak boleh allow lah any space period. So this is very important for you to know when you create a program. Okay? Alright, so this one dah cakap. Okay, I just want to do a bit of activity lah. We want to use what we learn semua tu to make like a program that can calculate column volume in a construction site. Okay? Sebab kita orang construction dan kita kenalah buat berkait sikit kita punya activity on construction. So first, the program ataupun macro should include the notification box that state this program is used to calculate the column volume. So let me just, I think nanti you guys boleh buat. Okay, contohnya dia ada, sekejap. Banyak sangat ni buka. Okay, let me just turn off too much. Okay. Ni sebenarnya jawapan dia. Nanti kan tak best lah dah nampak jawapan kan. Okay, so I nak you buat macam ni. Calculate column kan. So dia akan tulis, this program is used to calculate the column box. So you boleh guna message box lah untuk ni. Lepas tu you enter the units, contohnya mm ke, lepas tu length 2000 ke, and then width 200, macam tu. Thickness berapa? Thickness 100 lah kononnya lah, contoh. So dia akan kira volume. Oh, usually we use meter kan? So you can meter. So I nak you buat macam ni. First you akan bagi notification box. Guna message box. Program is used to calculate ni. Lepas tu you buat input box. Input box. Like this kan, input box kan. Dah belajar. And then you ask the user, you ask the user untuk put the length, the width, the thickness, then dia akan calculate the volume. Okay. So try buat berdasarkan apa yang you dah belajar. I'll give you maybe until 9:15. Okay tak? Ke macam dah tak ingat dah? Ke nak buat sama-sama tapi sebenarnya dah buat? Takkanlah I bagi you masa jap try. Kalau ada masalah, rasa macam tak boleh buat lah, tak faham. Let me know. Nanti kita terus bincang ke if you want. Ya?
Saya punya macam ada problem.
Oh, ada problem. Sekejap. Problem dekat mana? Sebab nanti kalau saya stop.
Bila saya nak run, dia keluar macam argument not optional.
Optional. Yang variable name tu you bagi nama apa?
Stop display message.
Sekejap. Boleh saya stop share tak yang lain? Boleh
Boleh.
Okay, nanti kita terus bincang lah kot. Tak payah tunggu sampai 9:15 pun okay. Okay, Alia nak share screen tak?
Okay.
Unit. Okay. Selalunya, sebab I pernah guna, I pernah try variable tu, I bagi nama lang with, okay jap. Sebelum tu you run dulu. I nak tengok apa? Okay. Sebab nama dia terlalu, dia macam common sangat dengan Excel punya function. Lang with height tu. So, it's better for you to use like L, W, T ke H. I think enter the height, enter the thickness, right? So you try guna L, W. Tu jadi display message 1. Because nanti sama dengan atas, betul? Thank you, No Atira. Very good eye. Contohnya nama you kan sub display message kan. Dia sama dengan nama makro ke atas. Sub display message. So you kena bagi nama lain sikit. Yang bawah tu you put sub display message 1 ke 2 ke tak kisah. Okay, thickness pun you tukar like T ke.
Oh, letak dia punya ni je. Dia ni letak H boleh.
H or T lah sebab thickness kan. Tak apa, I will share my screen nanti you sambil buat kan nanti macam susah pula nak buat while sharing screen kan. Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Share. Okay. Yang lain kalau mana yang macam lost, tak tahu macam mana nak buat, you can boleh tengoklah sini. So I suka buat dia side by side. Okay. So soalan dia tadi nak calculate kan column volume. So my suggestion supaya you tak confuse, oh my god. Supaya you tak confuse dengan this macro, you boleh buat like comment. Remember how to do the comment? You put apostrophe kan. Lepas tu you buat. Nak buat bahasa Melayu pun okay je, tak kisah. So I buat this is to calculate column volume in construction project. So nanti whenever I want to revisit my macro, I ingat, oh this one is the macro yang kena calculate volume tu. Macam tu. So macam Alia tadi, you punya nama makro ni sama dengan nama makro atas kan? So you can put macam Atira suggest tadi, put display message 1 macam tu kan? Ataupun just use another entirely different name, calculate column macam tu. Okay, so far with me ke tak? Thumbs up kalau okay. Orang lain? Ingatkan macam orang tak dengar suara I. Okay. So, the first step kita nak buat message box. So, Alia tadi dah buat betul dah? Semua okay? Message box. Lepas tu you buat ni kan? You boleh copy juga I punya kalau you nak. Lepas tu kita fikir, okay, apa input daripada user yang kita nak? Unit, length, width, thickness. So, kalau you guna tadi, length, width, thickness, ingat tak tadi? Yang ni variable name restriction ni. So ini masalah dia yang tadi kita guna length width tu kan. Dia nanti dia sama nama dengan Excel keyword. Walaupun dia tak adalah exact tapi dia terlalu macam common. Length, width tu selalu digunakan. So that's why dia cakap baik tukar. Macam tu lah dia cakap kan. Okay, so that's why I use LWT. So kita boleh ingat. So if it's like a number, make sure you put val ni. So that if the user contohnya dia put text ke apa, benda tu akan terus jadi zero. Sebab dia detect, oh perlu number sebenarnya ni, bukan text. So you make sure you put val and then make sure the bracket is sama, sini tutup dengan sini, sini bracket sini tutup dekat sini. Macam tu. Okay. So once you have the input, you have like what the calculation you want, like what kind of formula. So I put vol as for volume and then apa dia punya calculation. Lepas tu you can put message box volume sama dengan, you see I put space there so dia cantik sikit. Bila I run the message box. Lepas tu don't forget the and symbol whenever you want to combine. So ni pun I ada put macam space sikit lah between volume tu dengan unit supaya cantik sikit. And then this one I want to put meter cube. So that's why ada 3 dekat sini. Meter cube. Ini extra lah. Kalau you nak buat volume sama dengan volume pun okey je. Tak apa masalah. Ini just untuk cantikkan dia.
Okay.
Ya, saya?
Apa saya ada compile error time buat message box volume equal volume tu.
Okey.
Highlight dekat double apostrophe tengah-tengah.
Boleh share. Sekejap, saya stop share lah. Okey, nanti saya share balik. Boleh share screen tak? Kalau siapa-siapa macam nampak, oh ada masalah tu. Macam Atira tadi kan. Boleh je chip in dekat chat box, okay? Message box. Okay, volume. You tekan enter, dia jadi merah
Highlight kat situ. Ada merah. Masa dah highlight dulu ni.
Oh, okay. Cuba buat macam ada spaces sikit between and tu. Between and symbol tu. Oh, I know. Okay, first you buat space yang between and tu. Macam volume sama dengan, lepas tu apostrophe, lepas tu you buat space and symbol. Macam mana nak cakap? Okay, tu satu. Lagi satu, you give the variable name as volume. Tapi in message box, you call it as vol. So sepatutnya dia sama dengan atas. Okay, put space. Okay ke? Kau macam gelabah.
Sekejap.
Buat.
Okay, space.
Okay, space and symbol and space. Okay. So volume tu variable dia name dia vol, tapi tak ada variable name kat atas yang nama vol. Sebab you bagi nama dia volume. Lagi satu mungkin error sebab you guna perkataan length, width tu semua nanti dia akan error juga. So that's why I suggest you tukar variable name you as L, W, T. Lepas tu volume tu boleh buat V je ke.
Okay.
Tu try tukar dulu. Walaupun kita boleh guna nama full kan. Tapi nanti cuba bayangkan program tu dah panjang, nanti dia akan jadi you akan confuse sendiri dengan variable name you sebab panjang sangat. So that's why dia lagi best lah kita guna code name LWT macam tu. Okay, buat space sikit antara and tu. And symbol. Dah run ke? Volume tutup and volume and between and dengan apostrophe tu bagi ada space lagi. Dia akan automatic sepatutnya. Okay. Try run. Cuba you enter M ke. Oh tak apalah. Dah Okay, tak apa. I rasa dah okay dah tu. You just kena put, you boleh stop share.
Alright. Okay.
Okay. Oh, kau ada soalan lagi. Sorry.
Tak. Ada. Itu je.
Apa dia? Ada soalan?
Itu saja.
Oh, itu saja. Okay. Contoh I run kan. Sekejap. Dia ada benda annoying kat atas ni. Okay. Semua dapat tak macam ni? This program is used to calculate column volume. So dia punya merah, I think Vida punya share tukar theme kot. So dia jadi cantik sikit. I punya macam boring. Okay, enter the unit. Contohnya I put meter lah. Lepas tu letak je apa-apa. Dia punya length ni tak kisah. Width. Thickness 0.5 ke. So nampak dia jadi cantik macam ni. Volume. Okay. Saya bagi masa kalau ada yang masalah ke boleh copy. Kalau you nak macam rasa macam pro gitu dalam VBA, you jangan guna mouse tau. You guna keyboard untuk gerakkan you punya ni. Contohnya you macam nak copy. Contohnya I buat macam ni. You boleh letak balik volume yang dapat message box ni dalam ni kan. Ni nak buat pun boleh, tak nak buat pun tak apa. So nanti contohnya you macam tak ada this one. So you can just go up here. Lepas tu you macam copy, tekan shift sambil copy yang lain. Contoh buat Ctrl C. So dia nampak macam style sikit lah daripada you guna mouse kan. Hover benda ni. Yang ni macam lagi professional gitu. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, any question tak so far? Yang lain ada apa masalah ke? Or nak tanya anything else about VBA? Yeah?
Just now the sheet 2 A9 that itself is to put the value into the range A1, A9.
Yes. Nanti you boleh put. Ini boleh buat, dia sama je dengan atas. Just extra. So tadi 10 kan? So you can see here dia akan tulis 10 kat sini. Okay, so far, faham tak the VBA concept ni? What do we do in VBA? If you faham, thumbs up. Okay, VDEV. Yang lain okay ke tu? Alright. Good job, guys. Okay, any soalan or any error lagi? Okay, so far dah dapat tak? Semua orang dah dapat buat ke? Kalau siapa yang dah, bagi thumbs up juga. Okay, Vidaf, Syaira. Imran, Asila. Good job, good job. Okay, good. Kita ada tepuk tangan. Yay. I think we can give a clap to everyone lah for doing this. Give a clap to yourself. I tak boleh nak bagi reaction kat sini. Good job. Okay. So, I nak tanya, style macam ni okay kan? I bagi video lecture, you tengok and then masa kelas ni kita takkan buat hands on yang okay kan? Sebab tak membebankan kan? Because I rasa kalau kita buat juga time class memang tak sempat lah, ada 80 orang, ada 80 problem kan? So, the next video lecture I akan bagi maybe malam ni or esok. But this the next one should be easy jugalah. This sebenarnya kalau you follow the steps and then contohnya masa midterm exam tu you kena remember the apa function and VBA object dia. Itu je lah, kalau you tahu benda buat tu, benda ni sedang je untuk buat program dia. Okay, you punya assignment pun akan berkait dengan apa yang dah belajar. So the video lecture ada, video kat YouTube pun banyak, so should be no problem lah for you. So any other question before we stop our class? I lupa nak record sebenarnya hari ni. Stop lah Nanti I will share the slides and yeah, the slides. Yang ni tak payah kot, you all dah buat. Oh, thank you Atira for giving a smiley. Okay. So, untuk next week, boleh tak masuk awal sikit ke? So, kita boleh start quiz tu awal. Sebab tadi kita waste time lama kan. 8:30 baru stop quiz. Lepas tu cakap-cakap sebab kelas ni boleh lagi pendek sebenarnya daripada sekarang dah nak stop 9:30 kan. Tapi kalau kita start awal, kita boleh habis awal. Sebab you dah spend time kan tengok video lecture. So, should be sekejap je lah kelas ni. Okay, boleh ke bangun awal sikit ke? Boleh? Thumbs up kalau boleh. Okay. Thank you. Masuk awal sikit So attendance tu boleh settle before pukul 8. Okay, thank you Fatima. Thank you Fitri. Okay, any last words before kita end class? Ada ke apa-apa yang I terlupa nak buat? Tak ada kan? Attendance dah. Ada ke question? Kalau tak ada, tolong seorang wakil cakap tak ada doktor. So saya tahu okay, boleh tutup.
Tak ada doktor.
Okay.
Doktor,
Yes.
Tak ada,
Masuk
tak ada.
masuk 7.50 atau
7.50. Apa dia?
masuk awal doktor masuk dia.
Masuk 7.50 pun okay, 7.55 pun okay. So kita boleh settle kat attendance tu before 8. So by pukul 8 tu dah ada, patutnya ada 81 orang. Termasuk I. Ni 80. I kena check balik berapa student dalam ni. Okay, boleh Okay, tak ada soalan kan? Okay, so kita end lah dekat sini. Boleh Kalau boleh bagi thumbs up. Kalau nak sampai pukul 10 pun boleh juga. Kita end kan? Okay. Alright. So anything I will update on Telegram and also e-learning. Yes, apa lagi tak ada kot apa-apa. Okay, thank you everyone for joining today. Really appreciate it. Kalau tak faham, let me know. Jangan macam dah hujung-hujung sem baru cakap, oh sebenarnya saya tak faham pun. Okay? Alright. Okay, terpanjang ni you. Macam tu. Okay. Okay, you can, yes. Oh,
Okay, doktor.
Oh, thank you. I dengar doktor hujung. Okay, thank you. Boleh leave. I tunggu sekejap lah bagi orang leave. Kalau siapa-siapa nak cakap, welcome. Tapi malu boleh tunggu sekejap ke?
Thank you, doktor.
Welcome.